Okay guys, here you go. Today I have a Western Digital My Book. Just bought it from Walmart. It's a 4 terabyte external hard drive. I looked online to see if I could find any videos of people taking this thing apart without damaging it, because if the hard drive breaks I want the warranty, but what I actually want to do is take the hard drive out of it, and the reason why I want to do that is so that I can put it right in my computer. Alright, so at the end of the day I'm going to take the hard drive that's inside this enclosure and put it right in the computer, and the video is to show you guys how to get the enclosure open. There's no screws on this thing, so it looks a little intimidating at first, but I'm going to show you a quick little technique. I just figured this out myself, so I thought I would share it. So, butter knife, take it in the side, take your time, you don't want to scratch it, just slip it down, and just pry up a little bit. Once you got that side, give it a little squeeze, just to keep it there. And do the same thing on this side. Pop it up. It's that easy. Sit on the side, and away you go. Inside you have the hard drive, and that's about it. It's very easy. It's trying to fall out already. It's not even really screwed in. You got this little circuit board here, some rubber mounts. You just tip it up. There you go. There's another piece of plastic. It's actually not that much to this. Little circuit board here. Pop this little guy out. Little star head. Let's slide this circuit board back. It's pretty much all it takes, that, a hard drive and a power supply, and you got an enclosure. What I'm after is this bad boy right here. This is a 4 terabyte hard drive, and I'm going to take this and put it right in my computer. Have a good day. My name's Shannon, and subscribe to the channel, like the video if it helped you out, and have a good one. Peace.
Baby, the world can be a cold place. Darling, the water froze in the pipes, but you and I can wrap these blankets tight. Together, weather these storms of life. Baby, these last couple must have been hard. Well, we getting laid off, family shit in the voice, finding out that I got robbed by my greedy old boss. Just like 2 or so weeks after I started that new job. But your sister's coming to visit. It's a blessing I've been given, cause I seen how much you grown, and I seen how much you miss it. And I for one really understand the full extent how shitty it is to want more peace and love for your siblings, and then they been living with. But new beginnings happen all the time. Maybe tomorrow will be different, but then again maybe won't. I mean, this time is not yet finished, but either way you raise this kid's a voice, and the head is his sister's, which is beautiful. Though now it should have been. We can waste entire lives wondering about what could have been, but in silence come to thankfulness of having a good as friend as you. And I realized I have no use for what would have been. Oh.
All black tuxedos. Right? Yeah. All black tuxedos. Come on. Tuxedos. Let's get going. Go on. Say hi to all the YouTubers. What's up, YouTubies? We're building in this friggin' garage. It's cold out here. See the breath? Yeah. This is the monstrosity we're building. We got everything set up here. Temporary furnace. All the walls for the addition out back are built. We got 4 sections there. This is the roof. Skyjack hidden over there. Yeah, we're just hanging out in the garage. This nice straight line here. Boom. Chicken soup. Just blocking it out. This is going to be a flat roof, so just going for lots of support, so there's no swelling. This is my buddy Jay. He's here helping, getting shit done. So this was drawn in SketchUp. I guess I can show you guys that. Might as well. On the floor now because we've done all the measurements. Let's go over into the light a little bit. So we drew this out in SketchUp. We got all our measurements. Yeah. So far so good. It looks like the drawing we did. Every single piece had a specific measurement. 10 feet, 9/16, 9 feet, 9 inches, and so on and so forth. Each piece was specific. 18 different pieces made up this, plus the blocking. Everything lines up. Lots of different angles. It's gotten so heavy now we're going to need to use the excavator to lift it up and put it on top of these big ass walls. Yeah, the furnace is just hooked up temporarily. There's an addition back here outside. Gonna cut a hole through that board there in the back. That's our access, but it's cold outside, so we got it blocked off right now.